Friends, today's topic is number as we already covered two parts based on this chapter numbers. So this is the third part of the video numbers. So let's see what's more in this chapter, and this is the checkpoint 3 of your LR. So let's begin with our first sum. Then what is to be written? Write the place values of the colored digits in each of the following numbers. You have to write the place value for the numbers that are indicated in red color. So we can write it by two methods. Either we can place the number in the according to this chart, or we can count also. So we will do by both the methods. How we can do? This is ones. We have to find for 9. We have done ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakh, and this is 10 lakhs. So place value for 9 would be 10 lakhs. Place value would be 10 lakhs. Yes, friends, I hope you all might be getting it. If we want to write it again, then how we can write 9, then all the remaining would be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 after that. How many 0? 6. I hope you all might be getting it. We can write 90 lakhs like this. And as per inserting the commas after doing 3 digits, then 2 digits. This is our 90 lakh. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. And that's very easy. So our second method for the same sum is how we can solve by using the chart also. By using the chart, how we can you we can write we can write 2 here as it is on ones place. 1, 6, 4. Then after writing 4 we have to write 8, then 2 here and 9. So what we are getting our value as 10 lakhs. As we have already got that answer in that method also, so our answer is 10 lakhs. I hope you all might be getting it. You can use either of the method, but I would suggest you to use first method only, as this would be useful for you. Yes, because drawing this chart every time in your exam will take you your time a lot. Yes, friends. So let's begin with our B sum. 5, 7, 8. We need to find the value for 8. 9, 8, 9, 4, 3. This is our sum. Yes, how we can do? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakhs. So place value for 8 is lakhs. It can be denoted as 8. Then how many zeros after that? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with our third sum. But before moving with that, let's do our second method also, so that students who are not capable of understanding our first method can do by second method also. So we have to start writing from right hand side. 3, 4, 9, 8, 9. Now we have to write 8. So we are getting our place value for 8 is lakhs. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with our C sum. That is 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7. 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7. We need to find for 5. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So we have to write from right hand side. 7, 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 7, 5. So place value for this is crore. I hope you all might be getting it. We are getting same place value in our first method also. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with our fourth sum, that is 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 5. So friends, if you understood, so here you can pause the video and try to solve the remaining two sums by your own, friends. That are very easy. So 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 5. We need to find the place value for 9. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So place value for this is 10,000. Now we can do by either of the method, friends. So let us make our arrow larger so both the methods can be done in single time only. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, this is thousand, and this is 10,000. Yes, friends, and this was lakh, and this is 10 lakh. I hope you all might be getting. So place value for 9 is 10,000. I hope you all might be getting it, and that's very easy. So let's begin with our fifth sum. We need to place we need to find the place value of 0 in that sum. So let's begin with that only. 7243092. We need to find the place value for 0. 2 for ones. Let's do it properly. 2 for ones, 9 for tens, 0 for hundreds. So place value for 0 is 100. We need to find for that only. So by this we have completed question number 1 of checkpoint 3 properly. So let's begin with our question number 2 of checkpoint 3. So in checkpoint 3, what we are supposed to do of question number 2 of checkpoint 3, write each of the following numbers in the expanded form. We need to write the numbers in the expanded form, as this thing we have already studied in our previous classes also. So you can do by your own also. So if you are not capable of recalling it again, so you can see my first sum and then you can try to solve by your own by pausing the video. So let's begin with our first sum, that is 22,77,842. So that's very simple, friends. 2 should be multiplied with 1. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros should be there. How many zeros? 6 zeros should be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. Plus what we are supposed to do? 2. If there was 6, then now it would be 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that what we are supposed to do? 7 into how many zeros? Here it was 5, then here it would be 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Now we'll do addition. Again 7 into how many zeros? 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3, plus 8 into how many zeros? 2 zeros, that means 100, plus 4 into 1 zero, that means 10, and 2 should be multiplied with 1. By this we have completed our first sum. That is very easy, friends. I hope you all might be getting it, and that's the concept we have already learned in our previous classes also. Yes, friends, so let's move with our second sum. So here you can pause the video and try to solve by your own. Yeah, our next sum is 4. What is the 4? 4 crore 43,837. So in crores, how many zeros are there? Let's see. So 4 multiplied by 1. Then how many zeros we need to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you are able to read, then you don't need to count it in your exam, as you would be recalling that 0 into 6 zeros. Yes, afterwards again 0 into 5 zeros. I am writing 0 because we are not having the need of writing 0, because 0 should be multiplied with whatsoever number will result in 0 only. Yes, friends, but you can write also, but for further solution you have to cancel that. So we'll solve that in our next step. Here we are done 7, 6, 5. Now we'll multiply it with 4 zeros, 3, 4 zeros, plus 3 into 3, 1, 3 zeros. Afterwards what we are supposed to do? Plus 8 into 2 zeros, plus 3 into 1 zero, that means 10, and plus 7 into 1. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. That's very easy. Now we can further solve this also. By further solving, what we will get our answer as? After further solving, we have to rewrite the whole step. Instead of writing this thing, we don't have to write this thing in our next step. We don't have to write these two things because they both were having 0 values. So after writing this thing, yes, after writing this thing, you have to write this, then this, then this, then this, and this. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. That's very easy, and you have further solved it before in your previous classes also. So let's begin with our third sum, friends, and that is very easy. So here you can pause the video and try to solve by your own also. So let's begin with our third sum, that is 83 crore, I think. So then also we'll try to solve 83 crore. Then we'll multiply it with how many zeros? 80, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to multiply it with 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, afterwards what we are supposed to do? 3 into 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Afterwards, after 8, 7, now we need to multiply it with 6 zeros. To multiply it with 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 4 into 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. again. What we can do, if it is 0, but we won't leave our procedure. Here we have multiplied with 50, now we will multiply it with 4 zeros. After that, what we are supposed to do, we will multiply it with 3 zeros. After that, what we will do, we will do with 4 into 2 zeros, that means 100, plus 4 into with 1 zero, that means 10, and 2 should be multiplied with 1. I hope you all might be getting it, friends, and that's very easy. So this can be further be solved, and you have to just skip one step, because 0 multiplied by 10,000 will result in 0 only. So we are not supposed to rewrite that thing in our next step, and this would be our answer. Final answer should be like this only. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. So let's begin with our fourth sum. If you understood, you can pause the video and try to solve by your own also. So let's begin with our fourth sum. So here you each and everyone have to pause the video and try to solve the next sum by your own only. So let's begin with our fourth sum. Our fourth sum is 3 crore. That means it should be multiplied with, let's count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that is crore only. So we need to multiply it with 7 only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros plus I have written now 2 into how many zeros? 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros I have written. Now 8 it is there. 8 should be multiplied with how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 and 5 0 I have written. Now it is, what is to be there? 2 is there. So 2 should be multiplied with 4 zeros. Afterwards 0 should be multiplied with 3 zeros, that means 1000, plus 0 again should be multiplied with 100, only 2 zeros. Yes. Afterwards, what we can do, we need to multiply 2 with 1 zero, that means 10, and 3 should be multiplied with 1. I hope you all might be getting it, friends, and that's very easy. You can solve it by your own only. So this can further be solved. We have to just skip 2 steps, that means 0 multiplied by 1000 and 0 multiplied by 100 won't be there in our next step. So I am erasing it over here. So this is our next step, friends. I hope you all might be getting it. In final answer, you have to write like this only. This means you have to write 2 into 10 here, plus 3 into 1 here. Yes, friends. So this is our final answer. I hope you all might be getting it, and that's very easy, friends. So let's begin with our last sum for the day. And if you understood, try to pause the video and solve by your own, friends. If you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So let's begin with our fifth sum. That is 27,42,932. So first count the number of values for the highest zero. 1, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 should be in our first value. We should multiply it with 603. I have written 4, 5 and 6 zeros, plus 7 into 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. Now what we can do, 4 should be multiplied with 4 zeros. 4 zeros I have written. Now what can I do? Plus 2 should be multiplied with 3 zeros, plus 9 should be multiplied with 2 zeros, plus 3 should be multiplied with 1 zero, and 2 should be multiplied with 1. I hope you all might be getting it, and that's very easy, friends. I hope you all have understood and cleared your concepts over here, and that's the thing that we already studied in our previous classes. That was just a revision type of that only. We have not studied a difficult thing in this video. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was very easy concept that we need to just recall in this video that we already studied in our previous classes also. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.